Hello friends, welcome to Pawan Soft channel. In this tutorial we will see how to break the singleton using reflection. And if you didn't watch my previous video how to create the singleton using with eager initialization and lazy initialization, right? What is the use of the synchronized keyword and how to use at block level and how to use at method level, right? And how to create the singleton using enum. So please go and watch. So in this video we'll see how to break the singleton using reflection, right? So let's create the class first. Break singleton using reflection, and let's write the singleton class private static instance. This is the private static variable of type class type, right? And in second step let's create the private constructor, and in third step public static get instance method, right? This is the public static and this is the return type class type, right? This is the return type class type. And now I'm going to check once this is instance equal to null. If this instance is null, then instance create the singleton class object, right? And then return this instance. So singleton class is created successfully. Let's write the client code and then run it and see what is the output is correct or not. So let's client code, write the main method. In main method let's create the instance 1 class dot get instance. So this instance is created. This is the second instance. If you print it instance 1, this is instance 2. Let's run it. So you can see both objects are same, right? Both are the same object returning, right? If you print the hash code of this object, let's run again, you can see both object hash code is same, right? So because this is return only single object, this is creating the single instance, right? And in every request it is returning the same object in every request, right? And now, so what is my concept? Actually I was trying to do break the singleton using reflection, right? So let's create the reflection, write the reflection code. This is the null, right? So instance 1 I've created using the get instance method, and instance 2 is null. Now we'll create the instance 2 object by using the reflection method. So let's write the reflection code. So this is the break singleton using reflection dot class dot get declared constructor. This is the constructor and this is the array, right? So if you see here, using this method declare the constructor, and this method is returning the constructor array, right? So from this array, so currently inside this class, if you see break singleton using reflection, so inside this class, if you look, see inside this class only I have only one method, get instance method. If we have multiple methods, so by using this constructor array, from this constructor array you can access all the method from this class. So let's iterate it. Let's set the constructor dot set what accessible is true, and now let's create the instance2 object. So instance2 object you can create from constructor dot new instance. So this new instance taking the var arg parameter. So in var arg you can write the t0 parameter or more parameter, right? So let's typecast because it's returning the object. So typecast, and then this method is returned throwing some exception. So let's handle it. Now instance 2 is ready, right? So instance 1 I'm created using the get instance method, and instance 2 I created using reflection method, right? So instance 1 and instance 2 is ready now. If you will run, you can see both object having the means there is two different object, right? There is no one single object. So using reflection you can break the singleton, right? And to prevent the singleton, so you have to use the singleton using enum. So you have to use the enum concept to create the singleton class. So one will create the singleton class using enum, so you can't break this class using reflection, right? Other than this you can break like eager initialization, lazy initialization, right? So others you can break using reflection, right? Also, and using when you create the inner single class using enum, you can't break that class, right? So that's it for today. And if you really learn something from this video, please subscribe my channel, Pawan Soft channel, and we'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.